Hello everyone. Just now we have looked at a demo of creating connections between the members. Now I got one more requirement to change the few fields on this particular layout. We need to change the member. The relationship is called Facebook. So I have opened this record and trying to update few fields as per my requirement. I need to add address, primary address, and give these details and save it. So in order to do that, I got this requirement later after creating my relationship. So how to update the relationship is just we have to go here and update the relationship over here. And then we need to add some test case over here that click text of primary address. Click text on this particular primary address, and then we need to update the address and save this record. So let us try to do that.